Hey, I'm Kevin. Have you ever had this issue with your RV where your drawers don't want to stay level? Well, there's a little bracket that's in the back that holds everything in place, and you can get these off Amazon, but when they break, it is a royal pain in the butt because your drawers always hang down. So first thing I'm going to do is take all the drawers out of the way so when I put my hands back in there, I can move around. We'll unscrew the old brackets, put in the new brackets, and then be good to go. You can see back in here, this is where the brackets have broken. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop them off the end of these white drawer rails, and then we're going to screw in the new ones where the existing screws already are. And you can see I got a couple others. I'm going to go ahead and replace those too. Look at how shabby those look. You can find these on our website, www.befreebenson.com, and they have a link to Amazon where you can get these. They're not super expensive, but they're definitely worth it when they work, because when they don't, they really aggravate you. Just in case you haven't noticed, it's like 105 degrees here in Georgia, and the one air conditioner we have in here is needing another one. All right, so this is the bracket. I'm going to slide it on to the end of the piece, and then we're going to screw it into the plywood in the same holes that we took the other ones out of. And get it lined back up to the holes. Okay, so now after our inexpensive fix, works good. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you found value. Also, check out our website at www.befreebenson.com. You can find a link to all of the different little pieces that I showed you, all the little things. And also, remember, doing things yourself, even in 100-degree heat when you're sweating to death, allows you to be free.